Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily generate a passphrase on your Bitwarden Desktop app. So first, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go over to View in the top left corner. Now here we need to click on the generator and select the passphrase. As you guys can see, now we can select the minimum number of words. So for example, we want 5 words. Now we can restart it right here so we can generate a new one. And the max is 20. So let's enter 20. And as you guys can see, now we've got it all 20. We can also change the word separator. So for example, we want it to be H. And now, as you guys can see, every single word is basically separated by the H. We can also capitalize those words and we can include the numbers. Let me change the word separator again. And as you guys can see, now we've got the number right here, so isolated 9. We can try and change it. Now it's traffic 5. And this is how you can easily generate a passphrase. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.